Hi, I hope you're enjoying these videos on this channel. This is part 1 of a multi-part series on expanding my subcompact tractor front end loader bucket to a full 1 cubic yard. So my plan is here to use these tow hooks, hold up to 10,000 pounds. I was going to weld these on here so I could hook up much quicker and not have to deal with the bolts. Just come along and put the D-ring through, and I'll have one tightener in the middle to tighten things up. I'll show you that later. But I'll have one of these on each side that will hook into these D-rings here. Measuring now to put some reinforcement here so I could weld these down. That's 4 inches. Mounted in there just about like that. So I have this really thick walled square tube, and I think that'll work perfect to cut a few 4-inch pieces out of it and weld a piece here, here, and over here. It's just a touch shorter, about a 1/4 inch shorter, so that'll be good because I need to drop this down just a touch. So here's the pieces. Put a new wheel on here. So I'm gonna get the paint off these so they weld better. Alright, we're gonna do a 1/4 inch 035 12.5 290. Already set up. We're welding on the square tubing. Tacking it on for now. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, I got those tacked on there. So we could work on trying for the fit. It's perfectly flush, kind of where I want it. When it hooks up, it'll be just like that, holding it in tight. So I'll just tack this on pretty good and tack the other, and we'll just try it out. had to put a new tip on there. The old one's just getting too gummed up. It's not pushing the wire through. Okay, got that tacked on pretty well, so I was gonna see how it works, taking it on and off. Alright, that worked alright. Let's see if I can get back on. Snug fit. Here's that little upgrade. Instead of using the chains, now using the a tow hook to hold it on. It's just tack welded on right now. I was testing it, but it's tight right now, but it'll loosen up over time. So it's good to kind of start it out nice and snug. As the metal kind of relaxes a little bit, everything's gonna loosen up a little bit. But that works really well, actually. I like it a lot better than the chains I had on there. So it's getting late in the day. I'm gonna finish welding up the hooks and then probably finish the middle piece tomorrow as part 2. Please explore the Amazon links in the description below. Alright, so got the welding all done for the hooks. So this metal piece, I'm going to do something a little similar, but I'm going to put a 4-inch piece of square stock. I'm going to have a 3/4 inch bolt going through a little pipe here. And it'll hook up to a little sled with a chain on it. So just real quick, you could just lock it in. The nuts will just be welded onto the sled, so there's no fussing around. All you need is the impact, and you could just drive it on from the one side. But I'm going to work on that tomorrow. One last thing I'm going to do for night fowls is slap a little paint on it so it doesn't rust all up. It gets pretty wet over the night, a lot of dew. Those fresh wells get all kind of raspy and yucky. There you have it.